Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to use iPhone with voice control. Here are the steps to use your iPhone with voice control. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap Accessibility. Under the Physical and Motor section, tap Voice Control. Tap Set up Voice Control if it's your first time using it. Review the short introduction and tap Continue. Then tap Done. Download any required files if your iPhone prompts you. Toggle voice control on. A blue microphone icon will appear in the status bar. Start using commands such as Open Safari or Go Home. To tap items, say commands like Tap Settings or etc. To dictate text, open any text field and start speaking normally. Say correct that or replace word with new word to fix mistakes. Use show numbers to display clickable numbers on the screen for precise tapping. Say go to sleep to temporarily pause voice control. Say wake up to turn voice control back on anytime. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.